Today I'm going to show you how to make curly t-shirt mockup in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your quick selection tool from the toolbar. And click and drag over the white t-shirt to select it. Now press Ctrl J to cut the t-shirt from its background. Let's name it T-shirt. Then right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Go to Image, Adjustments, and open your Levels window. Now drag the top left slider to the right, and you can also drag the right slider to the left to add contrast. Press OK once you're satisfied. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I'll make the radius 4 pixels. To save it to your folder, just go to File, and choose Save As. I'm going to name this Displacement. And from this drop-down menu, choose the PSD file format. Then press Save. Now delete this Smart Filters. Go back to File, Place Embedded, and place your second image. Drag the opacity slider all the way to 50%. Adjust the size and position. Press Enter on your keyboard. Set the opacity back to 100%. Now go to Layer, and create Clipping Mask. Go to Filter, Distort, and Displace. I'll make the horizontal and vertical scale 15. The displacement map, Stretch to Fit, and the undefined areas, Wrap Around. Then press OK. Open your displacement PSD file that you saved earlier. Now change the blending mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the white slider and drag it to the left. Then press OK. Now let's zoom the image, and you will see that there are extra designs inside the t-shirt like so. So all we need to do to remove it is, let's disable the top layer or design layer first. Then select the subject or background layer. And from the toolbar, select the Object Selection tool. Click Add to Selection at the top. And from this drop-down, select the lasso. Create a loose selection on each of the inside of the t-shirt to select it. Now enable this design layer. Select the t-shirt layer, or layer below. With the selection active, click on the mask icon to create a mask. Then press Ctrl I to invert. This time I will change the color of all the inside of this t-shirt. So hold the Ctrl key, and click on the mask of the t-shirt layer to make a selection. Now select the top layer. Click on the adjustment layer icon, then create a new solid color. In this color picker, I'll choose red for now. If you can see, the red color is the background, not the inside of the t-shirt that we selected earlier. So what we need to do is select the mask of the color fill layer. Then go to Image, Adjustments, and Invert. Change the blending mode to Multiply. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the white slider and drag it to the left. We'll name it Inside Color. Let's go back on this. Choose any color for inside t-shirt, and you can also choose a color from your design. Press OK once you're satisfied. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.